spacious and rectangular living and dining area. You are going to enter towards your beautiful. This is your bedroom space. You can check out the bed space, TV unit space, the window. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we are here at Purva Bluebell, which is located in Magadi Road, Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and you can check out the model flight as well. And about the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this miniature. So this is total 3.85 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. So this is tower A of 2 basement ground plus 31 floors, and the other tower, that is tower B, consists of 2 basement ground plus 32 floors. This project offers purely 3 BHK ultra luxurious apartment. Now let's discuss about the amenities. So this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like this is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, office spaces, indoor game. This is multi-purpose school, garden area, kids play area, and many more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located on Magadi Main Road in Central Bangalore. So let me show you, this is the Magadi Main Road. And this road on the left hand side will take you towards Vijaynagar and on the right hand side will connect you towards Majestic. And one more best part, this is the Magadi Road metro station which is super near to your land parcel. Once you move out from your project, you can directly connect to this metro station. Isn't it wonderful? Now about the further connectivity of the project. You can connect to GT World Mall in 850 meters. KSR Bengaluru City Junction is 1.5 kilometers. Balagangadhar Swami Flyover is 2.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. So now this is your 3 BHK show flat of 1630 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So once you enter, there is no living and dining area. You'll be getting a foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter from this foyer area, here is your spacious and rectangular living and dining area. So first, let's check out this part. This is the part of your living area where they have set a beautiful sofa set in front of the TV unit. Now, with the living area, even they have attached balcony. So this is the beautiful balcony with 3 side open view, wooden finishing flooring, that is anti-skid flooring, and toughened glass ceiling as well. So you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view from this balcony. Now let's move further towards your dining and kitchen area. So exactly in front of your kitchen area, this space you can utilize it as a dining area, where you can set your dining table, and from here we are going to enter towards your beautiful kitchen area. You can check out the interior work as well with the platforms, the cabinets, and here the utility area is enclosed, which is divided via tile rock and anti-skid tiles. And there is a window in utility area as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So all the bedrooms are on the one side of the house. So once you enter the passage area, here is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Now let's move further. So this side is your bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose with a bed space over here, TV unit space, and the wardrobe over this side. Now let's move further towards next bedroom. So again, walking through your passage area, this is your bedroom number 2 with again a lobby space. And this is attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And once you enter the bedroom, the interior speaks out for itself like this is your kid's bedroom. So this is your bed space with a window. For ventilation and lighting purpose, they have even added up a study table over here. The wardrobe space. Now let's move further towards your another bedroom. That is your master bedroom. But before that, let me mention all the key features of Housey over here in front of me. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with some sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? So register for free and schedule your free site visit only with Housey. Now, just beside this bedroom is your master bedroom, and again when you enter you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring with the foyer area as well for the privacy. And this is your bedroom space. So you can check out the bed space, TV unit space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here is the wardrobe. And now about the washroom. So this side is the washroom area. The attached washroom with this master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Magdi Road. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.